Alam nyo ba, ang Careline, meron na silang bagong packaging ng kanilang multi-sticks, pero ang mas nakaka-intriga, meron silang bagong shade. Same formula, let's see kung ano yung difference ng same to old versus na-intriga ako, may color adapt. So, let's see kung ano yun. Ito yung shade ng color adapt niya. Ito na uso this year ang mga color adapt. And sa multi-sticks, nag-cater sila ng ano, let's see on the cheeks. Ayan, nag-cater sila on the color adapt side. And nakikita, in fairness nakikita yung color. So here, all the swatches, yung taupe, tapos ito yung contour stick nila. Pumpkin, strawberry, terracotta, mauve, salmon, and chestnut. So, ito yung shades ng kanilang multi-sticks. Let's try having a blush combo using salmon. Here, yung salmon. Let's see kung pareho sila ng old. Kasi may review na ako ng old nito. Salmon and mauve. Let's see the combo ito. Okay. This is a perfect blush combo that I ever imagined on their collection. Tsaka, nag-improve sila ha. Nung first, it's pretty nice. Ito yung mas improved version ng kanilang multi-sticks. Let's try chestnut here. Okay. Nag-iba lang sila ng ng formula and in fairness so ano rin. Then let's try the contour here, yung taupe. Let's see kung nakaka-blend siya. It's pretty nice. Careline, good job for formulating or nag-expand sila, nagpalit lang sila ng shades talaga. Pero mas nakaka-impress talaga is itong multi-stick ng color adapt. I think it's a primer stick pero color adapt siya. Pero itong other shades ito, in fairness with them, panalo talaga.